Hey there, so in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Ad conversion tracking for when a Google Ad visitor clicks on an email hyperlink to initiate an email contact with you. So first we'll jump over to Google Ads and we'll select Tools and Settings and we'll select Conversions here under Measurement. We'll go ahead and select New Conversion Action and let's select the website option here. And go ahead and enter your domain so we can get through this setup wizard and set up a manual conversion tracking. Go ahead and scroll down, click cancel on this, and then we're going to select add a conversion action manually. For category, I'll generally just use contact for this, and for name, we'll title it email link click. You can name it whatever you want though, whatever makes sense for you. And then for value, we're just going to select no value here. For count, we'll select 1. For click-through conversion window, generally we'll set it for 90 days, which is the maximum. And then the rest I will just leave as the default here. Done. Now let's scroll down and click Save and Continue. And then here we're going to select the Google Tag Manager option. And we're going to need this conversion ID and the conversion label here in just a second. So leave that page up as we venture over to Google Tag Manager. Now the first thing we'll want to do in Google Tag Manager is make sure our variables are set. Now I already have the click variables set up here, the built-in variables as you can see. But if you don't see the built-in click variables here, go ahead and click Configure and make sure these boxes are all ticked. Now we want to select new here to create a trigger. We'll name this email link clicks. Click into the trigger configuration box here. Now let's select the trigger type is going to be just links. Now we don't want this to fire on all link clicks, only some link clicks, namely email links. So go ahead and select that option, and then for the drop down here we're going to select click URL. Contains is good, leave that, and then we'll type here mail to, which is always included in an email hyperlink. Now the best part of using this as your trigger is it will track email link clicks even if you have multiple email addresses across the website, or say your email address changes on the website, it's still going to track email link clicks without you having to set up a new trigger here in Google Tag Manager. So select Save. Now let's create a tag, new tag, and we'll name this Google Ads email link click. Click into the tag configuration box here. Select Google Ads conversion tracking for the tag type. Now this is where we'll need the conversion ID and conversion label from Google Ads. So we'll hop back on over there, copy those. First the conversion ID, then we'll copy and paste the conversion label here, and then scroll down in the triggering box here, click there. And then we're going to select the trigger we just set up, the email link clicks. Okay, now let's save that. You can always preview it if you want, which I'll go ahead and do that here just to show you how that works. Click preview. Now if you don't see this tag assistant here, make sure you have all your ad blocker, script blocker extensions off on your browser, because it's most likely conflicting with Google Tag Manager. And if that still doesn't work, that means you need to revisit installing Google Tag Manager on your website. But let's go ahead and test this. You can just click cancel there and then hop back on over here. And as you'll see, there's our tag being fired, so we know that's working. Okay, let's exit out of there. And let's go ahead and submit the changes. Never forget to submit, otherwise your tag changes will not go live. So I'll just name this the same as the tag. And I'll just leave the description blank and click publish. And there you have it.